Realme went ahead and announced its V60 Pro mid-ranger in China. It looks similar to the recently announced Realme C75, but has a more capable MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset at the helm. The rest of the specs include a 6.67-inch IPS LCD with HD Plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate, an 8MP front-facing camera, and a 50MP rear shooter. V60 Pro is also IP69, rated against dust and pressurized water jets. It boots Realme UI 5.0 based on Android 14 and packs a 5,600 mAh battery with 45W charging. Realme V60 Pro comes in Obsidian Gold, Rock Black, and Lucky Red colors. Pricing in China is set at 1,599 Chinese yuan, $221, for the 12/256GB trim and 1,799 Chinese yuan, $249, for the 12/512GB version.